Hey, it's Kae. Hope you're feeling cute today. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm much blonder now, but this is just a transition color because I'm going to dye my hair in another color, but that's going to be in another video. Okay, so for today's video, I will be showing you my new desk. Since we're still in quarantine, I'm still working from home. Because of that, I decided to create my own desk or workstation. I do actually have a desk and chair, but as the months went by, I wanted my own space because here in the living room, my mama, ate, works here in the space, and I wanted to have my own. Like, I can just leave my stuff there and not be distracted by the noise. In the latter part of the quarantine, I started working on my bed. So I feel like I developed an unhealthy habit of working and sleeping in the same place. So yeah, for today's video, I will be showing you my new desk with organizers or work from home essentials that I found on Shopee. I will be linking everything on the description box below, so you can go check that out. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So inside my room, we used to have this shelf that goes from the ceiling down to the floor, but for some reason we had to take that out so the air conditioning unit will function better. Because of that, we had to take down the upper part of the shelf, and that leaves us to the lower part of the shelf only, which I will be showing in the clip right here. Long story short, I made a desk from our old shelf.
It's not the worst thing that has happened, so you stay. Baby, something will come. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you.
Hey, so right now I'm setting up my light.
Yung battery. And kailangan mo lang ng tatlong AAA batteries para gumana yung isang light. Tapos, ito-turn mo lang siya ganun. Wow! So, madali mo na rin siya madidikit.
Hello, so I have this and wooden laptop stand siya. Oh my gosh! Laptop stand kung paano mo gamitin lahat ng laptop stand. Ayan, ganyan. Kapag hindi mo naman ginagamit yung laptop mo, ayan, it's better to put it like this. Nakaka-save din ng space. Ayan. Ganyan yung itsura niya sa side. Ang ganda lang tignan.
One, two, three, four.
Okay, so I know that this is a very small space to consider as a workstation or as a desk, but it really helped in keeping myself stay productive, or so I think. And for me, it's better than working on my bed every day for like 10 hours a day. So if you're working from home 9 to 10 hours a day, I think it's not really advisable to work on your bed. And that's it for my desk makeover, and I hope you enjoyed all of the products that I showed you. And again, they're linked on the description box below, so you can go check them out if you want. But surprise, surprise! I'm actually hosting a giveaway for this video just to thank you guys for more than 4,000 subscribers. I will be posting the mechanics on the description box below. This giveaway is for my subscribers from the Philippines, and I know there are a lot of people who are subscribed to me that lives outside the Philippines, and I'm still trying to figure out how to do international giveaways, and I will probably do one real soon, so please watch out for that. You just have to comment your name, your Instagram handle, and the item that you like most from my Shopee haul on this video, and then I'll use a random picker to pick the winner. Whoever gets chosen will win that item. And I really would just like to thank you for following me and subscribing to me and watching my videos. I really appreciate you all so much. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also follow me on TikTok if you haven't. I really try my best to create fun content for you guys and for me as well. You know what's funny? Last year, we had to do this TikTok thing for work. We had to do this TikTok thing for work, and I was cringing so hard because I've always thought that I didn't have the personality, or I'm not funny enough or talented enough to be on TikTok. I'm enjoying TikTok right now, and I hope you guys are too. Since we're still in a pandemic after more than a year, I hope you guys find something that makes you happy, or just something that you enjoy, and just keep doing it, because what else are we gonna do in this pandemic, right? We're just trying to live and be happy and survive, basically. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye bye.